A big warm up on the way for this holiday weekend. I'll tell you how hot it's going to get coming up in a few minutes. Our Mount Tam Cam down on the city. Good visibility still at this hour. We're seeing very minimal fog close to the coastline, but it is going to push back into the bay overnight. A look at our high temperatures from today. Things warmed up a little bit after yesterday's storm, but we're in for a big warm up as we head into the weekend. Temperatures reached in the 70s into parts of the North Bay and our inland valleys as well as the Delta, with the additional sunshine this afternoon, but only in the low 60s close to the coastline and 60s down the peninsula. It's going to stay pretty mild overnight, with the fog moving into the bay shores. It was 50s and 60s out there right now. We should stay in the 50s for the most part, and maybe a few low 40s for the North Bay spots. But here's tomorrow at a glance. Dense fog for the morning close to the coastline. Patchy fog briefly down towards the South Bay and our inland valleys. Fog pushing back to the coastline though by noon. Should hug the San Mateo coastline, but elsewhere we'll be looking at sunny skies and warmer temperatures. I'll tell you how warm it's going to get coming up in just a bit.
Tonight, still a few showers around, but that is about to change, Jacqueline.
Yeah, we're going to see those showers lingering into tomorrow morning, but yes, big changes in tomorrow afternoon, as you just mentioned.
All right, so when do we start?
And we'll have drier conditions in the wake of the storm. One thing about today's rains is that they flew under the radar. You'll see here on Storm Tracker 4 radar, it's not picking up anything right now, although we are continuing to see light rain through parts of the Bay Area. The reason why is our radar sites are about 4,000 feet, and these showers have all been under the radar. But as you can tell from our rainfall totals today, we've seen quite a bit of rain in some spots. Over ½ inch of rain in Petaluma, but that has remained unchanged since this afternoon. In Castro Valley, that keeps going up about 1/3 of an inch of rain right now. About 1/4 of an inch of rain in Hayward, just over 1/10 of an inch of rain in San Francisco, and under that amount in San Jose and Orinda. Most spots were closer to these lower amounts here at the bottom of the list. So as we head into tomorrow, a chance for lingering showers into your morning commute. It'll be scattered, they'll be light, decreasing clouds though through the later morning hours, and 5 to 15 degrees warmer into the afternoon. This week it'll stay sunny and warm right back up, but this weekend another chance of rain. I'll have details in your extended forecast coming up. A storm is brewing offshore. It's moving ever so close to the Bay Area. It's going to impact your morning commute. I'll have details on that coming up in just a bit. Satellite and radar picture a storm sitting right offshore, set to impact the Bay Area into the morning commute. Here's the tail end of it. You can see getting closer to the coastline. This is moving very, very slowly though. Computer models have really had trouble putting the timing down, but it looks like it's going to be late tomorrow morning that we're going to see the rain. You see at the 3 o'clock hour, still nothing, and the rain starting to approach by 6 o'clock. Just some light showers close to the coastline. Then we'll start to see at 8 o'clock showers picking up a little bit more offshore and down by the Santa Cruz Mountains. Then through the 9 o'clock hour, rain south of the Golden Gate. The storm is really going to take a dive down to the south, so most of the rain is going to miss us offshore and down to the south. A little bit of a break by noon, then we're going to start to see some wraparound showers near the core of the storm for the afternoon. And the 7 o'clock hour doesn't show very much activity, but I think we could still see scattered showers, more than what's coming up here on Futurecast. Scattered showers a little bit harder to pinpoint into the afternoon and evening hours. So 11 o'clock we'll start to see the showers really wind down. As for rainfall totals, again, most of this is going to miss us well offshore. So 3 o'clock hour, we're not seeing anything. Then through the 10 o'clock hour, about ½ an inch of rain down over the Santa Cruz Mountains. Not much over the peninsula, about 1/4 of an inch of rain near San Mateo, and that's about as good as it's going to get. Could see some isolated showers again though into the evening, so pockets of rain, about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch possible through the Bay Area. So rain and cooler temperatures out there tomorrow, about 10 degrees cooler, decreasing cloud cover.